So right now I'm in perspective view, and there are a couple of different things that I want to show you. So first off, this object right now is set to shaded view, but if you right click on perspective here, you'll see that there are different options for viewing this object. One is wireframe. This allows you to view through the object and just shows it as lines. Another one is rendered, which looks similar to shaded right now, but depending on your computer might look different. There's also ghosted, which allows you to see through the object, but it also has some color to it. And then there's X-ray, so there are just a lot of different ways that you can view this. Artistic, you probably won't use some of these very often. I typically use shaded most of the time, but they're good to know that they're there. Another thing that I want to show you quickly is your viewport properties. So if you type in viewport properties, and right now I'm in the perspective viewport, so it brings up the properties for that viewport. So you'll see that it's in perspective, and right now the lens length is set to 50 millimeters. This is pretty standard, or the default for it, but you can adjust this based on what you wanted to see. So you could make it 35 millimeter if you wanted to expand your perspective view a little bit more. So if you were in an interior space, you might want to be able to see more of that inside space. So you could change that lens length to a smaller number. Typing in viewport properties again and enter. You can also change this to a parallel view, which would make it like an axonometric drawing. So if you click OK, you'll see that, and it keeps your verticals vertical and takes out the perspective from it. So now it's set in parallel view, and you can use this to make an axonometric drawing. Two-point perspective is another option, but you can leave it in perspective for now generally, unless you want it to be parallel.